This question is from GATE Electronics 2020. It is based on analog electronics. So we are given a BJT amplifier. VBE is equal to 0.7 volt and KT by Q is 26 millivolt. We have to assume that R0 is very high, output resistance is very high, so the base current will be negligible. So now we have to find the low frequency gain of amplifier, that is V0 upon Vi. So this is the circuit given. This is a common emitter amplifier with Re equal to 20k, common emitter capacitor equal to 100 microfarad, the collector resistor is 10k, VCC is 10 volt, VEE is minus 10 volt, then the C1 is 10 microfarad, then load resistance is 10k, and this is an AC input given. So first we have to do the DC analysis of this. So for DC analysis we have to open the capacitor. So this whole branch will get open, and we have to short the AC sources. So this AC source will get shorted, and this capacitor will also get open. So we are left with this circuit. This 10k resistor, current IC will flow through this. Then this VB is 0.7 volt. This RE is 20k, and this is 10 volt, and this is minus 10 volt. So the value of IB is 0. So we can see that 0 volt equal to 0.7 plus IC into 20k, because this same IC will flow through this also, because IB is 0. So IC is equal to IE. So 0 equal to 0.7 plus IC into 20 minus 10 volt. So the value of IC will be 9.3 upon 20 milliampere. Now we do AC analysis. For the AC analysis, the DC sources are short and the capacitor is also short. So both these DC sources, 10 volt and minus 10 volt, will get shorted. And capacitor, this capacitor and this capacitor will also get shorted. So this RE will be, this RE can be removed. So we have got this circuit. This 10k resistor is connected to ground, and this 10k resistor is also connected to ground. So it is a model of common emitter without RE. So these two 10k resistors are in parallel. So equivalent resistors can be, so equivalent resistance of this 10k and 10k in parallel will be 5 kilo ohm. So we have drawn this equivalent circuit. This Vi, this is common emitter, and this is 5 kilo ohm is load. So this is the configuration of a common emitter without RE. So the voltage gain for common emitter without RE is minus GM RL dash. GM value is IC upon VT. We have found a value of IC earlier as 9.3 upon 20, and VT we are given as 26 millivolt. The load resistance is 5 kilo ohm. So the voltage gain will be minus 89.5. So this is the answer. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.